let's talk Can-Am Defender Long Travel. Our Can-Am Defender Long Travel Kit. This one right here is gonna bring your machine from about a 62-inch stance to a 72-inch stance. It's gonna upgrade your performance, your durability, and your overall look of the entire machine. So we have several different options here with the Long Travel Kit. Not only do you get the best of both worlds, but you have your King Cobra axles and many different options with your shock coilovers, patent ball joints, everything in between. This Long Travel Kit sets itself completely apart from anybody else's on the market. So if you want to find out ways to thump out your Can-Am Defender, just like this one pictured behind me, check us out, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.